blinded myself with the light. So I got these at Walmart. I got them when they were under $3. I don't know what they are. Normally, I don't fucking remember. I see they also had strawberry one. I didn't get that. Yeah, this is Nature Valley Crispy Creamy Wafer, and this is the honey vanilla. I'm feeling very Pooh Bear today. Comes with 5 of these bars. It just sounded good, dude. I wonder how sweet it's gonna be. Look at that. I broke off a piece because I wanted to make sure it didn't go everywhere. Oh, it smells very vanilla-y. Okay, hear me out. It kind of, first off, it's good. It's a solid 8 out of 10. It's decently sweet, but it kind of reminds me of like those kids cereal bars and like a candy, like a Kit Kat or something, had a baby. Sounds really weird, I know. But where they have the like kind of chocolatey yogurt or whatever the fuck it is coating. It kind of like, it's like a thin layer of that. A decent kick of sweetness, just let you know. It's on the sweeter side. It almost feels like I'm eating dessert, not breakfast. Like it's light, but also really decadent. And like the little crispy is nice. And it's just good. Like it's almost got like a chocolatey taste to it. Like not, it doesn't taste like chocolate. It's got like a feel to it. Sorry, I'm trying to brain today. It has the I would get that again. Like I said, 8 out of 10. It's pretty, at the very least, 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. I kind of want to try the strawberry one now. I don't know if there are any other flavors of this. I think I just saw the strawberry, and they also have that Walmart. Like, you can't tell me that doesn't look bomb diggity. That's funny. One of my sisters would say. Well, they look really good. Like, I almost feel like to make it just even better is like you crush that on top of like or dip it in like the Greek gods honey yogurt. I'm telling you. That and like a nice cup of tea or something. Good breakfast. Good breakfast. I would recommend that. Not gonna lie, that's pretty dang good. I get more vanilla than anything. But so I feel like a nice, good vanilla flavor. I don't know if I really get the honey. Like not in a bad way. Like it's kind of playing like a background note to the vanilla. I don't know. Anyway, it's good. Until I try that. Bye.